Okay, here we go. Yeah, you know, we started way over here, zigzagged it across. This is how you hit all the states, like that. So we started over day 8. Day 8 ended over here in Jacksonville. Wait. Yeah, Jacksonville. Okay, so started for day 9, we ran it all the way up the East Coast here, and zigzagged our way through, you know, and hit West Virginia and stuff. That's why I told you our previous, it was going to get foggy of where things were at. And so, for what I could surmise, we ran all the way to the top. Let me see. Jacksonville, Savannah, Fayetteville, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Virginia and West Virginia. And as you see, PJ said, we're going to end up in Delaware before we shut it down. But I'm not sure how it went through. I didn't have any video proof, nor did I write it out. So we're just going to say we're blurring into day 10 somewhere right around here. So here goes how the day went. Good, baby, good, real good. Great. Good. Oh yeah, I'm feeling good, moving good. You know, it's all good.
Fire. However long I was down, on fire. I'm telling them, I'm like, man, you know, we can knock out a lot right now. We ran.
How many can we knock out right about now? What you thinking, man?
We can get this Virginia. We can get Washington. We can get West Virginia. Maryland. We can get West Virginia. Then we can get Bear, Delaware.
Woo.
Shut down right there. That's not everything over here is like taking candy from a baby.
Oh yeah,
close.
The way we was running it, yeah.
It's just you only do 100 and some odd miles.
Yeah.
You in another state.
Yeah.
It's candy over here. That's
we're
gonna
eat all that up. Yeah.
Simpler. It's just all you got to do is tighten up. They drive different over here.
Okay.
But other than that, as far as stretching out, it's a wrap.
It's a wrap. You're on the freeway, it was a wrap, because I rapped right past some cats.
What's up, man?
Wayne's Car Stereo in full effect on the freeway, getting it in. You see it. Welcome to Virginia. We are here in the house. Just give me the proof that I was there.
Turn around, Blue. Let's get
You see me. I'm right here. Now, we out here. Where we at, guys? Where we at? Virginia. Yeah, I see that right there. But let me tell y'all something. If you get in front of me or in front of this man, we're going to make you think you got an interior light on your motorcycle. Because we're going to shine your ass.
Yeah, the motherfucking lights got there. They bright the motherfucker. I lean forward like this.
I'm telling you, you're going to think you got it. You're going to have an interior light on your motorcycle. That's how we're going to do you, boy. We shining bright like diamonds.
Bright light. I mean bright.
Hey, I'm just saying, this could be you, but you wasn't here. That's all I got to say. Look at this right here.
Oh, that's why.
Hold on. Get that black mic too. Huh? Get that black mic back there.
Where you at, right?
Hey, how much farther we got, BP?
We got like 50 minutes.
50 minutes. That's happening.
Yeah, man. Everything been good with you?
Who cord is that?
They weren't complaining.
That sure look.
I said you can do it now.
No, that's my cord. It looks like my cord. Let me go look on my bike, make sure. Oh yeah, because it was in my coat and not. Yeah, I tucked it when I was riding. Yeah, that's me. Things happen. Here's the Potomac River, the one that George Washington crossed. Oh, Delaware, never mind, but that's Potomac River right there. Yeah, on the ground, here. Yeah, that gas station in Maryland, it was real. That's all I got to say. We're gonna see how real it is. Yeah.
I'm about to go to work. I'm down here getting my I go all.
Where you from, man?
California.
Huh?
California.
California?
Yeah.
Y'all rode all the way?
Yeah.
I rode to Myrtle Beach. I ain't never rode to California. Got some people out there. What part?
Bay Area, all over California, basically. We hitting all four corners of the United States.
When I leave from my day?
Last Thursday. Yeah, last Thursday.
You want a dog? Then when I'm dead. Okay, do 50-50. Yeah, I want to do 50.
This the state we be sitting on first 48.
You can go down any hood, but you know.
No, yeah, but this they see our side and we see their side.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, they see our stuff and we see theirs. Like they show Maryland, Chicago, mainly Chicago and Baltimore. And then out here they show LA a lot.
Yeah.
And they show some of Vegas. People don't know, but Northtown is fucked up. Can I have a change on number 8, bro?
I don't know now like this shit, but that's...
I'll be outside.
All right.
I don't need We in here. Let's get a head count here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 deep. The other two don't count, they've local. Pretty nice sized crowd. Over here, Harley Davidson of Washington, D.C. Fort Washington, MD. There we go.